In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messages application and then let me show you how to delete a message. That is quite simple and easy. Just swipe to the left on Message in that way and then hit Add Trash icon and tap on Delete. The message has been removed from here, but you can still find that message because actually that is not completely deleted from your device. To delete it permanently, all you have to do is tap right there at Filters and then tap on Recently Deleted. And there you can find the message that you have just deleted. And these messages can stay there for up to 30 days. So now if you want to permanently delete that messages, all you have to do is check mark that messages. You can select multiple messages at once and then just tap on delete and hit there to confirm it. Also, you can delete all messages at once, just hit on delete all and after that tap here to confirm it. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.